God said, give me 5 fish and 9 loaves of bread, he really meant 9 fish and 5 loaves of bread. But what am I going to drink? What is that to drink? What is drink? And ye heathen, a little hit holy water never hurt anybody. Little God, I can blame everything on him. God.